This self-contained studio needed some work. It had holes in the walls, coffee stains, and dirt marks. So, IJMS painters and interior designers got to work, filling, sanding, and making ready. IJMS painters and interiors are no nonsense. When it comes to work, all defects have been removed. This section of the flat had broken plastering, scratched paint, and more holes on the walls. Using the painter's tool alongside the prepping knives. This was no challenge for IJMS painters. The final wall defects left were becoming a thing of the past. Rubber glue, cable plastic, and holes. IJMS painters and interior designers made light work of the finishing to the bathroom. Using a magnolia light sheen, easy to clean paint, brought back the glowing life to this space. The mission is complete. No nonsense, no defects, and no grim outlook. We are IJMS painters and interior designers. The world is our canvas. Contact us today.